Okay, so I was saying 1000 times 200 is how much? We want to get the rationale behind picking this number. So 1000 times 200 is how much? Am I audible? It's 200,000. So which one do you think is better? Whether we spend 200,000 or we spend 60,000? It's better 60. So that's the reason why we moved the department said that it's better. Let's see, move 2 and 3 so that they should be crossing. So at 1000 should be nearer here. So near to 3 so that we don't pay 2,200, we pay 100. Okay. That's the reason why we've moved it there. Although the cost still remains there, it will be cheaper because it will be 1000 times 100 is how much? So it will be 100,000. So better we pay 100,000 like we pay 200,000. So it minimizes the cost. So we will start again after our table there. So it will be cost for the new cost. It will be equal to, so we have 1 into, so 1 into it's how much? This 1 and 2 here. It's 500. 500 times 100 is how much? 50. So we have 50,000 here. Plus 1 and 3. 1 and 3, it is 1,000, it's 100,000. So remember, 1,000, this 1,000 times 100, so it gives us 100,000. Plus, it will be 1 and 6. So how much? 1 and 6. She. So when you see 1 and 6, it has just moved. You're not crossing department. So it will be 200 times 100 is giving us how much? So we have 20,000 here. You see that? Because 1 has moved nearer to 6 also, it changes everything. Then we have plus 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is how much? This 2 and 3. 60,000. No? Plus we have 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is how much? 2 and 4 here. 500. You're not crossing any department. So 500 times 100. We have 50,000. Plus we have 2 and 5. 2 and 5, that's 100 times 100. So we have 10,000 here. plus we have 3 and 4. How much is 3 and 4? But 3 and 4, it's like you're crossing department there. So 200 times 200, 40,000 here. Plus we have 3 and 6. 1,000 times 100, 100,000 there. Plus we have 4 and 5, which is the last one. So 4 and 5, it will be here 50,000. 500 times 100. So we add these numbers together. So it will be 50 plus 100,000 plus 20,000 plus 60,000 your mic is your mic, Madam Jessie.
Jessie, your mic is on. I have muted. I use the black one. I felt bad.
I have muted her. Plus 40,000 plus 100,000 plus 50,000, which will give us 480. $480,000. So you see the difference. The first one we were spending 550. Here we spending 570. Here we're spending 480. We're saving a lot. So we're trying to minimize the cost. So that's what was needed. Well, that's what is needed to be done. Then from there we can even draw now the layout process for the table. So we have area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4, area 5, and area 6. So here we have 60. Here we have 40. So what we need to start with here is number 2, which is painting. Then number 1 on the middle. So it will just be painting department, which is 2. Then we have assembly department, which is 2, which is 1, I mean. Then machine shop, it will remain the same here. Machine shop, it will be 3. Then receiving, it will be 4. Then shipping, department, it will be 5. Then testing department, to be 6. So that's what was needed here.